May I come in, sir?
Come.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Great. Doctor, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You are such a, you are done from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, right?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to get into civil service, why?
So, civil services, sir, provides me with a much broader perspective and a much bigger platform.
But considering the dimension of our population, the problem and the population, don't you think as a doctor you can really do wonders?
Yes, sir. But sir, as a doctor, I can treat one patient at most at a time. But sir, at the administrative level, I can be in policy formulation or do something for the healthcare sector at a much bigger level, sir. And sir, a lot of the problems, they are not problems which require a curative part. They require something to be done at administrative level.
Oh, good. Achha, when is your interview, Abhishek?
So 16th March.
16th March.
Yes,
You
sir.
have time.
Yes, sir.
Good, not too much, but this. Achha, you are already in customs and excise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that too, in 2015 you joined, is it?
Sir, it's 2016 batch.
16
But sir, I
batch.
took EOL, sir, extraordinary leave to appear for the exam again. So I have, sir, I've taken charge only for the past 1 year, sir.
So your seniority will be what? 2016 or 17 or what?
From sir 2017, yes, sir.
Oh, the day you joined.
Yes, sir.
actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means you won't lose much of seniority in that
Yes,
sense.
sir.
And also, can I say this service has become somewhat irrelevant? Customs and central excise?
Sir, I won't say it has become completely or even somewhat.
No, I use the word somewhat.
Okay.
You didn't get that.
Sir, yes, sir.
Did I say?
No, sir.
I said somewhat.
Yes, sir. There is some, sir, reality in
Why
that.
do I say that?
Sir, because ever since GST has come, a lot of everything almost has become online, sir.
Yeah.
And the need for actually officers, their discretion, it has reduced a lot. So in that sense, sir, it has lost.
And that apart, the general tendency for decline in custom duty. You know,
Yes,
the moment you increase from 5 to 10, there is a halla bulla. Now our friend Trump is raising all sorts of issues. Again, we have to yield. So every country, they are just watching. The moment you marginally increase for revenue consideration, they go to WTO for whatever it is worth, then make a big issue of it.
Yes, sir.
And also now the people are prepared to pay duty and all that. Nobody brings. That craze for foreign goods has gone. And even for gold, that much. So you don't need that many officers. Earlier, people used to come with tons of thing and you have to examine, put duty, this, that. Now people are prepared to declare. And there are exemptions also allowed. Gift you can bring so much.
Yes,
Liquor
sir.
is freely available.
Yes,
This is
sir.
very nominal. So given this whole environment has changed. So the custom duty and the service has become somewhat irrelevant. I'm not saying it is completely waste. So given that, naturally when the service scope gets limited, the promotion and other thing will get limited.
Yes, sir.
So that way I think your idea to get out of that and get into IAS is a good move. I think you can really justify it. So, okay, now coming to your anthropology is your optional.
Yes, sir.
Not medical sciences.
No, sir.
Okay, I'll ask some basic questions pertaining to medical things.
Yes, sir.
Now let's talk of surrogacy. What exactly is surrogacy and what are the latest government rules or orders regarding to safeguard the surrogacy? First, what is this?
Sir, surrogacy is using the services of another woman by a woman who cannot become pregnant by herself due to various.
Another woman's womb.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
using another woman.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, renting.
Renting
I mean,
a
if you
womb.
want to put it in a very business thing,
Yes, sir.
renting a womb,
Yes,
to have a child.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what was really bad about the prevailing thing? What is happening?
So there was commercial surrogacy that was happening, which led to exploitation of lot of poor women, sir,
Poor women.
because of their poor financial
That too by
condition.
foreigners also.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
So because of their poor financial condition, they were being pushed into surrogacy even by their own husbands or by their own family members, just because of the financial that. And there was no protective net that they could utilize. So now the government brought the Surrogacy Act, and
So what is the new thing? What does the new act says?
Sir, that only altruistic surrogacy is allowed, not
That is-
commercial surrogacy.
Yeah.
That is, the woman should be a close relative or someone who's known to that woman, close relative basically, and it should not be for commercial purposes. Only basic healthcare expenditure.
There is some period also mentioned. 5 years of married life.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's not that you get married this year and going for surrogacy. No.
Yes, sir.
5 years.
Minimum
You
5
have
years.
to,
Yeah.
you know.
Sir, even though very recently a select committee to which the bill was referred to, it has recommended removing that 5 years because it said that in some medical cases there might be that right from day one there is no scope for the lady to become
No, but
pregnant.
then that has to be done on merit.
Yes,
As
sir.
a rule, it can be 5.
Yes,
but
sir.
it's a special circumstance, special case, the government or the institution can have discretion to waive it.
Yes,
Sometimes, otherwise, if you again blanket open, we may go back to square one. You
But
know
sir,
what
they
I
have
mean?
recommended that it should, in the act itself, we should
No, they
remove
may ask
that.
for your view.
Yes, sir.
So you can take, the idea is move, but then, you know, it has to be a via media in the sense, on case by case, it should be examined, not blanket removal of this. Perhaps, because it should serve the purpose. No, but tell me, now even leading film stars and all, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and all, they have their own 2-3 children, but still going in for this.
Yes, sir.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
Apart from Johar, Karan Johar or whatever.
Yes.
So if you have money, people are just going in for it.
Yes, sir.
So there are other implications of it, you know.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Now, use of artificial intelligence in medical science. As a doctor, what do you feel? And in particular, say robotic in surgery. Do you think it's a good move?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think artificial intelligence can be very good in medical science, sir, because doctors at the end they are humans, sir, and artificial intelligence can complement the doctors and provide them with the support. It cannot completely take over because the doctor's role, the discretion that the doctor will have and application of his own mind will always be a very important thing.
Right.
But they can definitely complement, sir. Like for example, sir, in diagnosis, there might be some point that the doctor might miss. So, sir, the artificial intelligence can help in covering that point. Similarly, in surgery, like if there is a robotic machine that can scan and see which artery or which particular vein it is, sometimes the doctor might not be able to recognize that. So, that can help
Yeah,
in
but
that.
tell me, there is one distinct advantage of, I mean, which robotic has over human being. What is that?
Sir, the surgeries can be performed at a distance.
No, not that. Emotional quotient.
Yes,
See,
sir.
if a doctor is operating his son, at some stage the emotions may get over. He may get disturbed. But robot is a machine. There is no emotions involved. It will just go ahead with the routine thing. That's a big advantage. It has
Yes,
really
sir.
happened.
Yes, sir.
Because at times it's very difficult to control one's emotions if you happen to know the patient or the background, whatever. So I think there this is a good. Now let's talk a bit about medical tourism. It's a famous thing in India and rightly so.
Yes.
But which is the state which is sort of coined or which benefited most? Now other states are also doing.
So, Tamil Nadu, sir, Chennai has.
Kerala, I thought. You know, because Ayurveda, they have all sorts of things.
Okay.
But Tamil Nadu also.
Yes, sir.
The idea is foreigners, they find it so cheap here and
Yes,
very
sir.
good medical thing. Tourism plus treatment. You know,
Yes,
here
sir.
labor is so cheap compared to there. They're
Yes, sir.
about $500 per day. One may have to pay for a nurse. Here for 1,000 rupees one can get, and in terms of dollars it is hardly $10 or $15. So they find it very, very cheap. Ridiculously cheap rather. Okay, medical tourism, telemedicine. That is, you know that. But one more important thing. This is what is known as, again, the WTO thing, compulsory licensing of drugs.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by this? And the recent Supreme Court judgment on that.
Sir, compulsory licensing is when, due to the necessary obligation towards the public health, the courts may direct that a particular medicine, the license would be given even to those who do not hold the patent for that. And the production can be done by other companies as well.
That's fine. There was one particular case.
Yes, sir.
The unit was dragged to court and finally Supreme Court ruled in favor of, it's a cancer drug, you know that?
Sir, Gleevec, sir, Novartis case. Yes.
Which was the case? Company?
Novartis.
Novartis. What is section under which it was done?
Sir, I'm not able to recall that. I'm sorry, sir.
10C. And what is it called? Window dressing?
Okay, sir.
Supreme Court has used that word.
Okay, sir.
Because by changing one small salt, you
Yes,
can't
sir.
say it's a very different thing.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
royalty will have to be paid.
Yes, sir.
It's called window dressing. That
Okay,
means
sir.
there is no real change.
Okay, sir.
It is just, a namesake so that to take advantage.
Thank
so
you,
this
sir.
is a very landmark judgment which other countries are quoting. Now President Trump is coming, and we have often this problem with USFDA. What is this USFDA?
So United States Food and Drug Administration.
Food and Drug Administration. Very good. Now what do?
Sir, they regulate the pharmaceutical and sector, sir.
But unnecessarily they put ban on our Sun Pharma, this product, Apollo or whatever, some drug invented or produced very economically, meaningfully.
Yes,
They
sir.
clear everything, quality, but suddenly they say the clearance is not given.
Yes, sir.
Eh? Very good. So these are the thing. And the last question, Ayushman Bharat.
Yes, sir.
What is this? And what do you think? What needs to be done to make it a real success?
Sir, it is a health insurance scheme, publicly funded.
It's an insurance scheme, mind you.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
And sir, it provides for a cover of 5 lakh per family per year. And sir, it is to be given to 10 crore families. So it will cover around 50 crore of the poorest and vulnerable sections. Sir, regarding how it is doing, sir, it has yielded good results, sir. More than...
No, it is good, but there are certain lacuna.
Yes,
what is
sir.
the one particular thing which is bothering in the implementation?
Sir, there is one issue of there are a lot of fraud is happening, sir, in this. A lot of hospitals are claiming, sir, the insurance, and actually they are not giving that much services because they can. So there has to be strong regulation in that regard to prevent that fraud.
And also the attitude. If you are going to pay cash, you are given
Yes,
preference. If somebody is in the line, another line
Yes.
separately, for such people, that goes very slowly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? So that's because the hospitals and all, they say they have to be reimbursed by government or insurance company. That takes time.
Yes, sir.
Well, in the private case, straight away they get cash. So this has to be speeded up.
Yes, sir.
The time lag has to be reduced. Otherwise, they should be compensated by way of interest. If they do that, then they will take interest.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yeah, Dr. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
What does Abhishek mean?
Sir, it means any religious ceremony that is performed at an auspicious occasion. Like, for example, Raji Abhishek is performed when the coronation of a king is done.
Coordination. Okay. 3D printing. You know 3D printing?
Yes, sir.
Can it be used in medical sciences also?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, for example, it has been used in making artificial ears have been made. Then components of, sir, liver parts have also been made using live tissue. So, sir, in that regard, we can have transplants, like small things that can be, prosthetics can be used. So, in that regard, it can be.
In India, any attempts made in this direction?
Yes, sir, it was made. Sir, I'm not aware of the institution that did that, but, sir, I have heard that.
Which is the largest 3D printed building of the world? 3D printed building of the world, largest.
I'm sorry, sir. I have
Dubai.
Okay,
Dubai.
sir. Okay, sir.
Laser. You know the full form of laser?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
Very right. So, use of laser in medical sciences.
Yes, sir. Sir, in various surgeries, like for example, eye surgery, very common is LASIK surgery that is done. A lot of other operations also. Then, sir, there is neon argon laser is also used. Sir, mostly, but most important use is that there is in the eye surgery, sir.
Okay. Hidden hunger. What do you mean by hidden hunger?
So it basically means micronutrient deficiency.
Okay.
Like, sir, calcium, magnesium, and other minerals that are required, vitamin deficiency, sir, all these.
Is there any mission launched by Government of India related with this?
Sir, the National Nutrition Mission, the Poshan Abhiyan.
When was it launched?
Sir, I'm not sure of the exact date, but a couple of years back.
March. And 8th of March, this day is observed as
Women's
World Women's Day.
World Women's Day, yes, sir.
National Nutrition Mission.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So aims, and there are so many aims now. Your aims is very prestigious institution.
Yes.
Everybody knows. So,
Yes,
so
sir.
many aims now.
Yes,
Aims
sir.
like institution.
Yes, sir.
So is it was it a right step to call them aims, or we should have called with some other name?
Sir, when we give them the status of AIIMS, it benefits in terms of the funding, central funding that comes with it. However, sir, definitely just giving them the name, it won't erase their status overnight. We have to build the infrastructure and it will take time. Like the AIIMS Delhi was built go way back in 1956. And now after so many years it has become that. But I definitely think that when we grant them that status of Institute of National Importance and call them AIIMS, in terms of funding, in terms of prestige, in terms of the importance, that
Okay,
that
who
benefits.
is known as father of surgery?
Sir, in India it's sir, Sushrut is known as.
Sushruta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On coronaviruses, what do you know about on coronaviruses?
So coronavirus.
On corona, not corona.
So,
On coronaviruses.
so I've heard oncoviruses that are.
They are the oncoviruses on corona, or you can say in brief, oncoviruses.
Oncoviruses.
Related with what?
Cancer, sir.
Cancer.
Yes.
Tumor.
Yes, sir.
Oncology.
Yes, sir.
So full name is on coronaviruses.
Yes.
Or you may, in brief, you can say
Oncoviruses. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now thalassemia.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Thalassemia.
Sir, it is the defect in the chains of hemoglobin. Basically, there is a genetic defect in structure of hemoglobin, which has two chains, alpha and beta chain. For total 4 chains, 2 alpha and 2 beta. So,
Why it is named so? Thalassemia.
sir, I do not know the
Thalas means sea. Any idea?
Thalas.
Where was this disease observed first?
No, I do not know, sir. I'm sorry.
Mediterranean Sea.
Okay, sir.
Thalas means sea. So
Okay, sir.
first of all, it was noticed in near Mediterranean
Mediterranean
Sea.
Sea. Okay.
That's why thalassemia.
Thank you, sir.
Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. What are these?
So they are congenital disorders. Down syndrome is when the X chromosome is missing. So this XO is the genotype, and Klinefelter is when there is XYY. There is an extra Y chromosome.
How can you define genetic engineering? Genetic engineering.
Sir, it is basically altering the structure of the DNA and the genetic components in such a way so as to derive the practical applications, like some hormones can be produced and other enzymes or related, or change in the function of the gene, sir.
Okay, Dr. Hargobind Khurana, have you ever heard his name?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Sir, he got the Nobel Prize in Physiology, sir.
Achha, what for this name was in use? Chief Vigilance Officer in AIIMS?
Yes, sir.
Sanjeev Chaturvedi.
Yes,
So
sir.
what for he was in use, Sanjeev Chaturvedi?
Sir, he had brought out certain inconsistencies in the financial aspect of the AIIMS administration.
Has he got any award?
Magsaysay Award, sir.
Raman Magsaysay Award. What did he do with the amount which he received in this Magsaysay Award, Raman Magsaysay Award?
Sir, I think he donated it to some.
He donated.
Yes, sir.
And in annual performance appraisal, he was given 0. So what happened to that? Annual confidential report, he got 0 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
So what happened later on?
Sir,
With the Supreme Court intervention,
Okay.
he got 10 out of 10. Anyway.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
In states like Himachal Pradesh, there is always scarcity of doctors. In spite of government doing its best, government is not able to attract doctors. So, being from a medical profession, what would you suggest to attract doctors to states like Himachal Pradesh?
Sir, first would be financial incentive. Sir, some sort of extra financial benefit has to be given. Second would be, sir, developing the infrastructure around the hospitals, because doctors have families, their kids, so most consider how to, which school to send their kids and all. So if we can develop a holistic development of the area so that good education can be provided to their kids, living spaces are good, so I think doctors would definitely want to come.
Any change you would suggest in the MCI policy? I mean, now the MCI is not there, but the previous MCI policy, which is still being followed by many of the states, what changes would you suggest in that?
Sir, I'm not aware of the MCA policy, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, in big hospitals, because sometimes patients have to sit outside almost for overnight. They have to take token in government hospital.
Yes.
I'm sure in AIIMS also this would be the issue.
Yes, sir.
So as an administrator of the hospital, what would you do to reduce this agony of the patients?
Sir, I would try to build rooms and infrastructure around the hospital, and for that, sir, I will try to rope in the corporate social responsibility. So, sir, when CSR donation would come, they would also be, sir, they would get the reputation.
That is okay. You have funding. Everything is there. You have the money. It is not being utilized. In terms of innovative changes, what would you like to bring in the hospital management so that the waiting time of the patient reduces? They don't have to stand in long queues.
Sir, I would try to introduce use of information technology, sir, like online OPD service, where the patients will know beforehand what is their token number, and so, sir, they don't have to come much before their actual time, sir.
Some kind of queue management.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about N95, N99 masks?
Yes, sir. Sir, these are masks that are used to for prevention from air pollution uses. The content of, sir, N95, it's the nitrogen content that is there in the masks.
Dr. Sani, what is the concept of holistic medicine?
Sir, holistic medicine is one which tries to cure a person or tries the physical fitness of a person from all angles, whether it's physical, mental, emotional wellness, all types of psychological wellness, complete wellness, sir.
No, I don't know, I'm not very sure, but we're told in Western countries there's an outreach to go and study native medicine and the medical systems and try and kind of integrate these things. Can you throw some light on this?
Yes, sir. Like this, for example, sir, in India we have the Indian systems of medicine.
Yeah.
So Ayush we are trying to incorporate into our mainstream healthcare as well.
Yeah.
Ayurveda, yoga, naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy.
One you have missed. What is that?
Sova Rigpa.
That's right. Good.
Which one is that?
Sovarippa. Added later on through amendment.
What is that?
So that is practiced in some sub-Himalayan region.
So Tibetan medicine.
Tibetan medicine,
Yes.
Tibetan system of medicine.
So it's also one of the traditional medicine.
That is based on herbals, is it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Ayush thing, I mean,
So,
Ayush
so,
so
according to this end, do you think the syllabus is being revised or any such move? You are not aware.
Sir, as far as I know, there has not been much revision of the MBBS syllabus in that regard. But I think we should look over that some basic knowledge of native medicine, even to MBBS allopathic doctors, should be given, sir.
Again, a very, very, very basic question. Considering the doctor population ratio, sorry, sir, we don't mind.
Please, no hurry.
Ratio and the unmet health needs, medical needs of the country, are we doing enough to address this? Ayushman Bhava, the state policies, packages are fine, but does it meet the basic need? And if it is not, then what should be the policy direction, programs? You may be the Health Secretary of India one day.
Yes, sir.
Are you thinking along those lines?
Yes, sir. Sir, you are right in saying that there is a lot of unmet need that is still there. Partly because our population is...
Here, just 1 minute. Never say you are right or wrong.
Okay, sir.
You are not supposed to pass a judgment.
Okay, sir.
I agree,
Sorry.
sir.
Yes, sir.
When you say you agree, that means in a way you agree with
Yes.
him and what he says is correct.
I also have the same view. Rather, that would be better.
Don't say
Okay, sir.
you are right, sir.
Yes.
Because you are nobody to
Small
judge.
niceties.
Okay, sir.
No, these matters, sir.
That's
All
what
members I have in the
Matter.
board, they take very strong exceptions.
Yes.
Hmm.
So, sir, for those unmet needs, sir, what is needed is we need to develop a cadre of community health professional as well, especially in the rural areas. And this has been also proposed in the new NMC bill that has come up, that there will be community health professionals who would be given the basic training for all the common ailments.
Thank you, Dr. Sani.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, we'll call you for briefing. One thing, do you have any idea about the health budget?
Yes, sir.
How much?
So it's 69,000 crore.
What percentage of budget or GDP it is?
Sir, 1.1%.
1%. What should be minimum for a country like India? WHO norms?
Sir, our target is at least 2.5% according to National Health Policy 2017.
but it should be minimum 5 to 6.
Yes, sir. It should be even more.
We have a long way to go.
Yes, sir.
But very good, Shaini. But after MBBS, you didn't do any specialization.
No, sir. Sir, I did a house job at AIIMS only. Sir.
In which department?
Sir, psychiatry, sir.
Psychiatry.
Yes, sir.
That's interesting. So that should be of some use to you in your service?
Yes, sir.
Huh? In
Yes.
what way?
Sir, it has helped me in spotting any symptoms of depression or any kind of mood disturbances in my team, in my staff that is working with me, and I generally try to talk to them if I spot that someone is not doing well and showing any kind of symptoms of mental health problems. So I try to do that.
Oh, very good, very good. But there may be too many cases of depression and all this, because it's increasing now. Because people expectations are growing so sky high. So on anything and everything, people are feeling frustrated. The rat race.
Yes, sir.
So I think you will be handy in that. Okay, now, so you never thought of doing further other schooling and all? Where did you? Punjab.
Yes, sir.
Jalandhar.
St. Joseph Boys School, Punjab, sir.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, you want to ask us anything?
No, sir. Sir, feedback, sir, you will be giving?
Okay, you come after 2
When
minutes.
is the interview? Sorry, sir, I missed it. When is the interview?
16th March, sir.
Okay,
16th of
16th
March.
March.
Good.
A month.
Yeah, you come after 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
We'll
Thank you,
just-
sir. Thank you, sir.
Please come. Sit down. You are very good, really. Only we want to make sure that you get very high rank. So the following will be my suggestion.
Yes.
One is you honestly don't need any more mock. If at all, you take one mock around the first week of March.
Okay, sir.
Because the interview is on 16th.
Yes.
By then Mr. Trump would have come and gone.
Yes.
Whatever gossip or whatever thing, agreement, this, that and all that,
Yes.
you should have read and be prepared.
Yes.
So that in the mock, if you come before us or wherever you go, they may ask more on current affairs.
ब्रेक के बाद वो बजट सेशन भी शुरू हो जाएगा ब्रेक के बाद.
हाँ, वो भी है. And now, in terms of reading, what paper are you reading?
Sir, I read in Hindu and Times of India also.
No, read only one paper.
Okay.
Instead, read one economic daily.
Okay, sir.
Economic daily means Business Standard, Financial Express, Mint.
Yes.
You know, Mint is a paper by Hindustan Times people. It's an excellent economic paper. They take up some topic and discuss in layman's language
Sure, sir.
and cover all topical current economic issues. So read it seriously, and some statistics are also thrown to India and at the world level. And some statistics about Indian health. We have something called health statistics.
Yes, sir.
Life expectancy for male, female separately.
Yes.
What is the sex ratio? Now, related to this may be a question on population growth.
Yes, sir.
In particular, I'm sure you may be aware, the growth in north versus south.
Yes, sir.
Southern belt, it is virtually going down or stagnant, while in the north it's booming, especially Bihar and UP. Already there's a tendency for migration from north to south.
Yes, sir.
Bangalore and a few places in Tamil Nadu and all, it's creating to social and other problems. That is one fallout. Then the demographic dividend. You know what demographic dividend is.
Yes.
So in years to come, the impact will be different.
Yes, sir.
The north may benefit while south will be deprived. They'll have more of old people, but not that many young people because the population growth is going down or stagnating. So these are some of the salient aspects which you should know. And do you know what is the population pyramid?
Yes, sir.
Can you draw?
Yes, sir.
Okay, draw. Take the another big paper.
On the other side.
And define both the axes.
Sir, the male and female population, and sir, the age wise, the age goes like this. So the older age is there and
Correct.
younger age is here. So sir, it can be different shapes. Like for India, it's more triangular because more number of youth population in this part
Yeah.
than the middle age and least number of the.
For China,
For China, sir, it's the upper part is, sir, increasing. So it's kind of bell shaped, sir.
Yeah, it will be like this.
Yes.
Going tapering off at a very end.
Yes, sir.
And sort of most of the time virtually running like a parallel line type. Well, it's this. So good. So these things and the drug pricing control order.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the rule of NPPA?
Yes, sir.
What is NPPA?
National Pharmaceutical
Pricing Authority. And some of the essential drugs, they fix the price, which I think is a good move. Now, there can be question about many people coming from Ukraine, from even China, from Mauritius doing MBBS because they don't get admission here.
Yes, sir.
They get loan or somehow they go and come back.
Yes, sir.
Now they are as good as quacks in the sense they don't get proper training.
Yes, sir.
A government is doing something, but still what can be done? First, why allow them to go at all?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And when they come back and they are in such large number, they make halla gulla and parliament mein question raise ho jata.
Yes, sir.
So what is the best way of avoiding this? Because this unnecessary problem. Otherwise they will start private practice. Again you and I can't do anything.
Yes, sir.
तो ये सब थोड़ा देख लीजिए. And then WHO role. Do you really feel they are playing a significant role? Because WTO is very disappointing when it comes to trade matters. And health, perhaps we are benefiting and we have very many people in top position. Who is number 2 in WHO?
It's a WHO, WTO.
WHO. You are a health man.
Yes, sir.
WHO, Geneva based.
Sir, I'm not very bad.
Soumya Swaminathan.
Yes,
You
sir.
have not heard?
ICMR head. ICMR
She is number 2 in WHO.
Incidentally, is she the daughter of?
Yeah, Emma Swaminathan. She is daughter of Emma Swaminathan. Very important position, because it related to health, I thought. And your Nobel Prize, Hargobind Khurana.
वो पूछा था
Pucha tha? Oh, I was not here.
बड़ा
Okay,
short
good.
में short.
You answered.
So
Good.
discovering the genetic code. He shared the Nobel Prize with Nirenberg and Holly.
Okay, sir.
Achha, they may ask, not related to medical, but they may say, what do you feel about Indians? Indian government are lifting up not only Indian but also Maldivian and now offer to lift Pakistanis even.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think it's a good diplomatic move, sir.
Very good move.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
But they are not asking for formal request. Bhi nahi aa raha. You want to ask us anything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, firstly, sir, the question that I'm asked almost every time is being a doctor from AIIMS. Sir, why do you want to shift that? Which I answered to you also, sir.
No, that was quite convincing. See, beyond the point, we won't rub you because we know, obviously, everybody knows. IAS is IAS and all
Sir, with your
that. No, but you be honest in saying the scope of this particular service is bound to be limited. It is limited and it will get limited because of the GST.
Okay, sir.
And the need for,
अच्छा एक तो मेडिकल साइंस
नहीं,
की
frank
वजह से हो गया एक
हाँ.
इसकी वजह से हो गया
No,
दो हो
sir, I
गए
have a submission.
Okay.
हाँ.
No, how much you got shiny last time?
So 165.
No, 180 to 190 you should get.
I have a very strong viewpoint on this. In fact, I am a little disappointed with the answer, to be honest.
Okay.
Kyunki you should, instead of being a little apologetic, being defensive, you should seize it and say, yes, sir, I am bringing a certain string because education and health, these are the two primary concerns. Amartya Sen, that is a concern. So you are, supposing you are MA literature.
Yes, sir.
How an MA literature will be a better collector? You get the point.
Yes.
Whereas you are being an expert in your field with such outstanding health study or health professional, how is it a matter of apology?
Yes, sir.
You get the point. So the entire attitude, I would say, is a disappointment. Rather seize it with both the hands and say, yes, sir, because health is what are the biggest issue along with education. And there with my expertise, I will be an asset. Very quietly without the danger of being very quietly but convincingly you can persuade the board. And that way if you do it, I am sure you will cross 200. You will get an maximum.
No, yes, you can easily. It depends upon the board,
You
the chairman.
I think, sir, his own attitude, he is feeling apologetic about it. Not at all.
No, you don't have to feel apologetic.
It's an asset you are bringing, which no other candidate is bringing.
Very good. All the best. And relax. Go for a long walk. Do you need to reduce weight, if I may ask?
No, but then being a doctor, he should know.
No, that's what I'm asking.
Sir, I have put on a little weight, sir.
Yeah, I think you better.
पढ़ने की वजह से मैं कर रहा हूँ इसलिए।
Yes.
हाँ, थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा. And in the medical board nowadays, I believe they say that. No?
Sir, I'm not that overweight. I have.
Achha, I don't know the norms, but I'm told that they
Sir,
make
if the
some-
BMI is above 30, then they declare temporary unfit. But sir,
Okay.
my BMI is around 26, sir. So
Oh,
that way I'm
oh,
safe.
yes.
But still, it's on the higher side, sir.
We had a chap, I shouldn't come in, from 121, he has come to 111 kilos. You know, so which I thought was too high, so we cautioned him.
Okay,
So,
sir.
very good. All the best.
Thank you, sir.